Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm fine. Thank you.
Days in a week.
Days in a week.
Number 1. Do you know how many days in a week?
Yes, I do.
Number 2. How many days in a week?
There are 7 days in a week.
Number 3. Can you mention the names of the day?
Yes, we can.
Number 4. What are they?
There are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Okay. Number 5. What day is today?
Today is Saturday.
Number 6. What day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Monday.
Okay. Number 7. What day before yesterday?
Before yesterday was Sunday.
Okay. Number 8. What day is tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Thursday.
Number 9. What day is after tomorrow?
After tomorrow is Friday.
Number 10. How many days in a week?
There are 7 days in a week.
What day is holiday?
Holiday are Saturday and Sunday.
Okay. Days in a week.
Days in a week.
Days in a week.
Number 1. Do you know how many days in a week?
Do you know how many days in a week?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Number 2. How many days in a week?
How many days in a week?
There are 7 days in a week.
There are 7 days in a week.
Number 3. Can you mention the names of the day?
Can you mention the names of the day?
Yes, we can.
Yes, we can.
Number 4. What are they?
What are they?
There are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
They are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Number 5. What day is today?
What day is today?
Today is Saturday.
Today is Sunday.
Number 6. What day was yesterday?
What day was yesterday?
Yesterday was Monday.
Yesterday was Monday.
Okay. Number 7. What day before yesterday?
What day before yesterday?
Before yesterday was Sunday.
Before yesterday was Sunday.
Okay. Number 8. What day is tomorrow?
What day is tomorrow?
Tomorrow is Thursday.
Tomorrow is Thursday.
Number 9. What day is after tomorrow?
What day is after tomorrow?
After tomorrow is Friday.
After tomorrow is Friday.
Number 10. How many days in a week?
How many days in a week?
There are 7 days in a week.
There are 7 days in a week.
What day is holiday?
What day is holiday?
Holiday are Saturday and Sunday.
Okay.
Holiday are Saturday and Sunday.